Bowling Green at home for Springfield. Both teams looking for win at number one. First quarter, Bobcats third and goal. Pitch to Nick Powers, and Powers his way in with the sweep. 7-0 home team. Blue Devils answering the second from 10 yards out. Brandon Langston running tough between the tackles. Ties the game at 7. Wow. BG back in front by 7 in that second quarter when Springfield goes back to Langston. We saw him in between the tackles. This time the senior gets outside and sprints for the 70-yard score. We are tied 14-14 at the break. Stays that way through the third quarter. In the fourth quarter, Bowling Green with just under 9 minutes remaining at the 5. We saw it earlier, the pitch to Powers on the sweep, and it works again. Bobcats up 7. Defense holds on the final drive. 21-14 your final as Josh Wade gets win number 1 as Bowling Green Bobcats head coach.
Yeah, we saw it working early. Bunch of guys blocking. So honestly, we saw the outside was working. Guys were blocking outside, making it easy for me. So it was a good night for that play. Yeah, we know he cares a lot, so we really wanted to get this first win for him, and it means a lot. So we're hoping we can just build on this win and keep going the rest of the season.
Turn now to Greg Franke and Scoop Miller, who have more from the victorious BG Bobcats.
Bowling Green's thrilling win over Springfield had everything that an instant classic would want except the last big play. Everybody was all set for the play that was going to decide the game. It didn't come off as the clock ran out on Springfield. Nonetheless, an outstanding late drive and a lot of drama throughout the entire game.
Yeah, incredible game. Both teams really fought it out for 48 minutes. Unfortunately, for Springfield, they needed 48 minutes and 2 seconds. They just didn't get it, but certainly both coaches proud of the effort they saw tonight. These teams are definitely getting better. These teams, as we saw tonight, are equipped with a lot of athletes.
Brandon Langston, the powerful and very speedy back for Springfield, had a great first half. He broke off a 76-yard touchdown run, but Bowling Green seemed to be able to contain him a little bit better in the second half. That was a big factor. Nick Powers got 2 touchdowns on sweeps. And then in the final drive for Springfield, they convert a 4th and 20 when the receiver caught the ball 5 yards short but fought to get the first down. Antonio Overton, they got all the way down to the 2-yard line, but a couple of key mental errors hurt Springfield in the end.
Yeah, that's certainly disappointing for Springfield the way it ended, but you know, as you mentioned, Greg, they came up with that huge 4th and 20 conversion. They just did not quit, and they kept fighting away, but Bowling Green, you could tell this was a team that was determined to win. They found a way to get it done.
All right, a thriller here at Bowling Green, the first ever win for new Bowling Green coach Josh Wade, 21-14 over Springfield.